Have you ever looked in the mirror and wondered, is this all there is left for me? If you're over 60 and feel like life has already passed you by, stop right there. Because the truth is, it hasn't. No matter what you've been through, heartbreak, failures, health struggles, loneliness, or regret, your past does not define your future. The most powerful, peaceful, and fulfilling chapter of your life could still be ahead. But only if you choose to rebuild, restart, and reinvent, starting today. 1. Let go of what you can't change. Everyone carries something from their past: guilt, pain, mistakes, or missed opportunities. But holding on to it won't change it. It only weighs you down. You cannot rewrite what's behind you, but you can change what's in front of you. Forgiveness is not just for others, it's for yourself too. Letting go isn't weakness, and it's power. It's freedom. Say it with me. I give myself permission to begin again. Because beginning again is not failure, it's strength. Your age is not a deadline. Who said reinvention has an expiration date? Colonel Sanders started KFC at 65. Grandma Moses began painting at 76. Laura Ingalls Wilder published her first book at 65. So tell me, why not you? Just because you're not 30 anymore doesn't mean your purpose is gone. In fact, now is when you have the most clarity, wisdom, and time to do what truly matters. Whether it's writing a book, starting a garden, volunteering, moving to a new place, or simply choosing peace, this is your moment. 3. Rebuild your routine. One choice at a time. Reinvention doesn't have to mean big dramatic changes. It starts with simple, intentional choices. Wake up with purpose. Move your body gently every day. Eat with care, not guilt. Say no to things that drain you. Spend time with people who lift you up. Learn something new, even if it's small. These tiny shifts create massive results over time, in energy, confidence, and joy. Restart your relationships. If your past is filled with broken relationships, distant family, or friendships that faded, that doesn't mean you're alone. It means it's time to reconnect or create new bonds. Call the person you've been meaning to call. Join a group in your community. Reach out online. There are thousands of people your age looking for connection too. And remember, the quality of your relationships is more important than the quantity. Let go of the ones that hurt. Rebuild the ones worth saving. And be open to new ones. Reinvent your identity. You're not just a mother, a father, a spouse, or a retiree. You're a human being with dreams, feelings, and goals even now. Ask yourself, if I didn't have to live up to anyone's expectations, who would I be right now? Would you be a traveler? An artist, a storyteller, a healer? It's not too late to become that person. You're allowed to reinvent yourself again and again. You are not done yet. If you're reading this, you still have time. Time to heal, time to change. Time to build something new from the pieces of your past. You don't need to be who you used to be. You just need to be who you want to be today. No matter your age, you are not too late, not too broken, and not too old to begin again. If this message touched your heart, don't keep it to yourself. Share it with someone over 60 who needs to hear this today. Leave a comment below. I choose to begin again. And don't forget to follow for more messages made just for you, because your second chance starts right now.